Master Cutter. Let's take a quick photo moment before we begin our Q&A, and may we kindly ask everyone to put down their phones. Everyone, and welcome to the exclusive press conference for event. So many were happy to learn that the series will be available on Netflix, the biggest streaming platform, starting tomorrow, in fact. How does it feel to know that the Master Cutter will not only captivate audiences on free TV, but also viewers across Southeast Asia?
First of all, I just want to thank everyone for coming over this afternoon, making time. Thank you for Netflix for hosting this event. I'm excited kasi matagal kong kakwentuhan si Dong every time when we talk about like regional thing, and then like sabi ko, I think the Southeast Asia should act like an EU na tulungan tayo. It took me a while before I started traveling to Southeast Asia. Medyo mas malalayo mo na tinitignan ko. I see them like, when I see them, there are brothers, these Indonesians, mga Thai. Sabi ko, these are our people. So I'm so excited na mapanood rin nila yung ginagawa natin dito. To familiarize them with our culture. The same way we familiarize ourselves with other cultures when we watch shows from their countries. I think it's about time that we do this more often on a regular basis. Just so we get to know each other and we tend to like each other more and we do things together. So I think this is the first step. Hopefully, we start also doing bigger projects together as a region.
So Atoy Padua has been an interesting experience as a performer because of the double life he leads. Quoting you, ang daming mga characters na pinaglalaruan. What has been the most fulfilling and challenging parts of portraying Atoy?
Fulfilling, sa challenging muna, pero ulaan pala, maganda na hapon sa inyong lahat. Salamat at nandito kayo para sa Master Cutter. Netflix, thank you for hosting this. Yung challenging part doon ay yung pagpasok ko sa iba't ibang klase mga characters. Kasi syempre, yung itsura nun, may mga clown na character, may clown na isang Cuban na mafia, meron pang isang madre, nakita nyo naman kanina. So physically, medyo challenging siya, but at the same time, sobrang fun niya gawin. Kasi ito yung bagay na hindi ko pa nagawa kahit kailan pa sa mga ginagawa ko sa television. And much more, ngayon ay ipapalabas pa siya sa Southeast Asia through Netflix. This is something that really excites me. Yes, it's challenging, but at the same time, it's also very rewarding. And with regards to yung isa naman, yung parang mas fulfilling, wala na mas fulfilling pa sa character ni Atoy. Kapag ako'y si Atoy, the Master Cutter, or the Tailor, para sa akin, it's very very fulfilling because yung shop ni Atoy, si Mang Delphine's Tailoring, ay situated sa Baclaran. Napakagandang community ng Baclaran, doon sa kami nagsushooting. In fact, doon lumaki si Direk Dominic Zapata.
Hindi naman ako masyadong lumaki.
Pero doon siya talaga hanggang ngayon nagsuserve sa simbahan sa Baclaran. So very very familiar siya doon sa lugar niya. And masaya kami na i-share niya sa amin yung community niya. At makikita niyo later on in the series how fun, how colorful, and how full of character the place is. And much more if you get to meet the characters. Nandun sila Polo.
Mati kayo lahat. Kumusta po kayo? Salamat po sa pagpunta ng lahat dito. Ako po si Red Regalia, ang anak ng leader ng lahat ng kasamaan sa show. At mas gusto kong maging mas masama sa aking tatay na si Dimitri, played by Tito Tonton Gutierrez. Malaki ang galit ko kay Atoy because dahil siya yung nagtahi ng damit ni Max ngayon. At mali. Pero ako yung pinakamasamang kalaban ni Atoy because so chinecheck ko lang po kung ano hindi po pwede i-spoil. So, basta malaki lang po yung galit ko kay Atoy kasi galit lang po ako sa mundo talaga. So, yan po ang aking asawa ko dito si Max Eigenman, and I'm just the baddest human being in the show.
Lahat. Ang character ko po dito ay si Ame, isang dating social worker na matututong dumiskarte sa kalye to survive. At ako din po yung magiging guardian ni Ipiang at magiging katulong din ni Atoy sa ilan sa mga missions niya pag napunta na siya sa poder ni Atoy. At may konting crush din po siya kay Atoy.
Kabata-bata, ganyan ka? Batang to?
Thank you, Miss Jo. Shanna, your turn.
I think there's no reason to say no if you are given such a beautiful project like this. Lalo na kasama mo ang napakahusay na cast. How I wish na na-meet nyo rin sila, sila Kuya Don. We're such a huge cast. One of the biggest cast yata na nakakasama ko sa entire career ko. And of course, under the leadership of Direk Dominic. Pero at the heart of the story, more than the spectacle and more than the action scenes that you will be seeing, yung puso talaga ng kwento. And I think it's all about a modern family story. It's all about different types of relationships. And naka-relate ako dun dahil malakas din yung kwento dito about yung father-son story and yung father-daughter story. Kaya para sa akin, it's something that's very, very interesting.
Thank you, Kuya Don. Next.
Work with Kuya Dong. So natupad yun sa The Master Buzzer. And meron po kasing part ng story ni Ame na ipapakita po dun yung struggle ng little person na makahanap ng trabaho. To the point na kahit hindi na parang nawawala na yung value nila, itinatanggap na lang nila for them to earn a living to support themselves and their families. So, meron pong part din na yun dun sa story. I think isa po yun sa pinakamalaking push ko nung nag-guest ako sa character ni Ame. And si Ame po kasi, umiikot lang talaga nung una yung buhay niya kay Ibyang kasi silang dalawa lang naman yung pamilya. So, nung napunta sila sa Tabang Lupa, dun po nagkaroon ng mas malaking chosen family. Doon niya naramdaman na pwede palang magkaroon ng pamilya kahit hindi mo sila kadugo.
Thank you, Miss Jo. Paalala lang po muli, The Master Cutter will launch on Netflix on May 8, 72 hours before it airs on Free TV. Once again, thank you to our incredible cast and director, and of course, our friends from the media for being part of this event. Once again, I'm your host, Angel Perguera. Until next time, at maraming salamat po.